So have you ever been on your computer and accidentally installed WGA? WGA is a product by Microsoft to help stop software counterfeiting. With this guide I'll teach you how to remove WGA from your computer in a few simple steps. Now there are a few ways of telling if you have WGA installed on your computer. One, there's a pop-up in the bottom right hand corner of your screen, and the other way to tell is if you have a watermark in the bottom right hand of your screen. There's also an icon in the tray of your computer. First of all, you're going to need to open up a search. So you can either do that by pressing Start and then going to the search, or you can press F3 while on your desktop. Okay, now that your search is loaded up, you're going to go to All Files and Folders. In here you'll type WGA. Now go into More Advanced Options and select Search Hidden Files and Folders. Now that that's done, it's time to click Search. You'll want to give your computer a minute or two to search through your folders, because it does take a while to find the exact files. Okay, so while your computer's searching, you're going to open up Task Manager. You can either do that by right-clicking on your taskbar and clicking Task Manager, or by simply hitting Control, Alt, and Delete at the same time. Okay, so here's where things are going to get a little complicated. So we're going to open up Task Manager, and we're going to click on one of the processes. It doesn't matter which one you select. Now we're going to type WGA. This will take us down to the process of WGA. This is the application that is currently running, which projects the watermark and all the warnings. We're going to be using this to get rid of the program. Okay, so by now your computer should have found the application and the logon DLL file. It is impossible to remove this file on its own. That's why we need to end the application first, then remove the file. So now we should have our search and our task manager open. What we're going to do is right click delete on the file WGA. Now this will bring up a prompt saying, do you want to delete this file or not? We're going to drag this down just underneath Task Manager. Okay, now we're going to go over to the WGA process, which you should have highlighted earlier. We're going to go right click End Process. Now we're going to drag this end process on top of the delete. Do you want to delete yes or no file? Now what we're going to do is, as quick as we can, double click on yes. This will end the process and delete the file at the exact same time. Now we're almost done. Now all we've got to do is select the old logon.dll file. Now we're going to rename that to .old. This will stop the DLL file from working. Okay, so congratulations, you've completely got rid of WGA and it is gone. Thanks for watching, and please remember to subscribe, rate or comment if you desire.